Rupee opened the previous week a lot lower at 75.13, and due to steep rise in global oil prices, US yields, and combined with dollar index scaling a 13-month high of 94.57 on Wednesday, the rupee touched a low of 75.6625 on 12th October 21, a level not seen since 22/4/2021. A strong surge in local stocks and fall in US yields led the rupee to recover some of its losses to end the week at 75.25. At this point of time, we strongly feel a downward adjustment in global oil prices and possible RBI intervention shall make the rupee to recover toward 74.80 level before the end of this month, while the stiff support at 76.00 shall hold. RBI, in their policy announcement on 8th October, revised its projection for July to September CPI to 5.1% from the previous forecast of 5.9%. RBI also indicated that due to high rupee liquidity in the market, the need for undertaking further GSAP operations at this juncture does not arise, even though RBI would remain in readiness to undertake GSAP as and when warranted by liquidity conditions, while remaining flexible in conducting OMOs and Operation Twist. As a result of policy announcement, there is no major change in bond yields, rupee's value against the dollar, and any downside correction in local stocks. In the first 9 months of 2021, rupee has performed better than the other Asian peers. The market expected the rupee's steady trend to continue till such time the tapering announcement is made by the Fed. The rising US inflation and tapering concerns sparked the US yields to rise, and combined with steep increase in global oil prices, the huge oversold dollar positions hit the market on breach of 74.50 support level to drive the domestic currency sharply lower. In the absence of any determined intervention from RBI to stem the rupee's decline, the currency outlook has turned bearish in the short term. The huge IPO portfolio and divestment dollar inflows are expected to come in the next 2 months time frame, and a good recovery can possibly be seen at that point of time. A wide range between 74.00 to 75.80 is our forecast up to December 2021. From the beginning of 4th October 21 till date, rupee has sharply depreciated by 115 paisa per dollar, equivalent to a depreciation of close to 1.50% in absolute terms. Rupee remained broadly stable between 72.30 to 73.80 range for more than 15 months time frame, and the sudden weakness in the domestic currency in a shorter time frame has surprised many market participants. During the phase of huge dollar inflows pouring into the market, the Reserve Bank of India has absorbed all the capital inflow and prevented the rupee to appreciate beyond the 72.30 level. On the other hand, the sell side intervention from RBI was almost absent, and probably one can expect their active intervention if the domestic currency breaches the 75.80 support. At this point of time, we have to analyze the approach to be followed by importers and exporters to hedge their exposures at the opportune level. We strongly advise the exporters to target a spot level of 75.60 plus to sell their medium-term receivables, and the overall forward exchange rate would prove beneficial and shall result in higher export realization. The unhedged import payables up to 3 months period may be left unhedged with the tight stop loss at 75.80, looking to hedge those unhedged positions at 74.80 level or below. Suddenly, the market has begun to express concerns on the overvaluation in the REER, calling for correction in the nominal exchange rate. On this count, the market is not expecting any determined intervention from RBI till the 76.00 support level is challenged by the market forces. However, any correction in the Brent crude prices below the 80 level shall lead to an upward correction in the rupee towards the 74.80 level. As the yield on 10-year benchmark bond and the dollar index are trading a shade lower, rupee recovered to a high of 75.1850 on Wednesday. The dollar buying from oil companies and corporates pulled down the rupee to trade around the 75.30 level in the last 2 days of the week. Rising commodity prices have led to concern about potential inflationary pressures due to tight supply fueled by global energy crisis. The sentiment of the rupee may weaken, and a test of 75.80 is likely on the cards before any sustained recovery can be seen. The increase in the oil import bill by about 10 to 15% in the current calendar quarter as compared with the previous quarter shall widen the trade gap and exert pressure on the rupee to depreciate. Only the intervention from RBI can prevent the rupee from its sharp fall beyond the 75.80 support.